Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how nice this neighborhood looks with the fresh fallen snow on the trees. Really beautiful neighborhood. So I'm just going to give you a quick drive around here. I was walking out here the other day and we noticed deer tracks all over the front yards of these homes. So this is definitely what I consider a suburban area. Some people would even call it rural. This video is gonna go maybe another 2 minutes. I just want to go around this block here and show you guys how nice this is. Of course, we always come to a full stop and stop sign. It's just beautiful. The dogs don't like going around this neighborhood as much as they prefer going through the bush or a wooded area, but to me it is still very scenic. Now this guy almost pulled out right in front of me. That happens to me all the time, but that's okay. Fantastic. I don't know, there's something about these evergreen or at least coniferous trees that looks so beautiful with the snow on them. Now, if you've gone through my shorts and some of my other videos, you'll notice when I walk Sage and Blue through a wooded area. Recently, that's the wooded area right there. So you may very well recognize that. There's some interesting architecture on some of these homes. So there you go. I would call this off-grid air conditioning. You know, anyone that's down south and dealing with the heat waves or your air conditioning's out, this is maybe a nice video to watch and just chill out to. This says it's -1 degree Celsius, which is just shy of the freezing point. So a little colder than your refrigerator, but not quite as cold as your freezer. Anyway, thanks for stopping by JM Unleashed, and we'll chat soon. Have a great day.